Hello children, good morning. This is Kameshwari. Welcome to video lecture classes. In the last video, I started the lesson of the history part, the Delhi Sultans. How did the Delhi Sultans come to our India? How did they start ruling in our India? What is the importance of Delhi? How many dynasties ruled in this Delhi Sultanate? These are all things I explained in the last video. In this video, I continue the same lesson, the Delhi Sultans. In the total, 5 dynasties were ruling our country based on the Delhi capital. Balban slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid dynasty and Lodi dynasty. I gave a detailed information about these 5 dynasties. What is the specialty of these 5 dynasties is these five dynasties capital is Delhi. After that, in those days, these sultanates, what are the sources of the Delhi sultanates? Some of the books, some of the coins, inscriptions, you learn the history of Delhi sultanates. These are all things. At those times, people were followed the gender distinctions, ideal social order. Already I explained that Iltutmish daughter Sultana Razia came to the throne in the year of in which year Sultana Razia 1236 to 1240. Between these 2 years, Sultana Razia was ruling our India. She ruled only 4 years. What is the reason is the nobles are not accepted the ruling of the Sultana Razia. Menah-i-Siraz noted down in one inscription. In the last video I explained. Now, how did they rule our India? How did they expand their kingdom? Let us discuss in this video. From garrison town to empire. What is the meaning of garrison? A fortified settlement is called a garrison town. A fortified settlement. All the members live in one village. That village was fully covered with compound wall, that is fort. All the members live happily inside that fort. So such type of town or city is called garrison town. They lived like that first. Empire, the large kingdom. How did they expand their kingdom from Delhi to South India also? The expansion of the Delhi Sultanate. Garrison town, the fortified settlement with soldiers. So many soldiers protects that garrison town. People live happily inside of that fortified settlement. Next, another word, hinterland. What is the meaning of hinterland? Means the land's adjustment to a city or a port that supply it with goods and services. Which lands are nearer to the rivers? So port cities. Which lands are nearer to the rivers? That is called a port. That supply it with goods and services. That is called the hinterland. Okay. In the 13th century, the control of the Delhi Sultans rarely went beyond heavily the fortified towns occupied by the garrisons. First, what did the Delhi Sultanates do? They controlled the area of a fortified settlement, garrison towns. How many members are there? They controlled. Uh, they collected some of the taxes for them. They controlled the little area at first time. The Delhi Sultan seldom controlled the hinterland of the cities and were therefore dependent upon trade, tribute, or plunder for supplies. The Sultan seldom controlled, rarely controlled the hinterlands. Already I explained you what is the meaning of hinterland. Of the cities were therefore depended upon the trade. How did they get the income? They depended upon the trade, merchants, and tribute and plunder for suppliers. Based on these overall people, they collected some of the taxes. They ruled very well in the garrison towns. After that, controlling towns in a distant Bengal and Sindh from Delhi was extremely difficult. As what is the capital of Delhi Sultanate? Delhi. Delhi is the capital of Delhi Sultanate. That way, that name came to them. Controlling this type of garrison towns is very difficult to them from Bengal, from Delhi. It was not possible to control a small cities or towns for a long distance. That's why they faced a lot of problems. What were the problems were faced by them? Rebellion, war, even bad weather could snap fragile communication routes. Okay, what are the problems faced by the Delhi Sultanates? Rebellions. Rebellions means invasions. Some of the members invasions our areas. Some wars are held between the two regions, and some bad weather conditions also. Bad weather, some areas receives the lot of rainfall. Roads and transport facilities are not available in those days. So message, if you want to send any message one area to another area, it takes a long time. So bad weather conditions also one of the most problem of the Delhi Sultanate. So communication is not possible between these garrison towns to Delhi Sultanates. That's why the controlling the garrison towns is very difficult to them. After, Delhi's authority was also challenged by the Mughal inventions. At the time, what happened? At the time of Iltutmish, time, Afghan invasions, Chinkish Khan, INVASION, here a spelling mistake came. You rectify that. Inventions not. Instead of that word, you write the spelling INVASIONS. Invasions. Okay, from Afghanistan, and governors who rebelled at any sign of the Sultan's weakness. Here some of the Sultans, already I said, every dynasty's last kings are weak rulers. That's why so many members invasions occurred in this area. Okay, like that in the Afghanistan ruler Chinkish Khan invaded upon your country at the time of Iltutmish. That is one of the example for that, by the governors who rebelled at any sign of Sultan's weakness. The Sultaness barely survived these challenges. These challenges are the main target to these people of Delhi Sultanate. Its consolidation occurred during the region of Ziauddin Balban and further expansion under Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad bin Tughlaq. is consolidation. Expansion of the kingdom was occurred during the period of it was started in the period of Ziauddin Balban. Ziauddin Balban is the greatest king in the slave dynasty. He cut the forests near the Delhi areas, cultivated those lands to agricultural lands. After that, Alauddin Khilji also, in the time of Alauddin, he expanded that kingdom. Muhammad bin Tughlaq also followed this kingdom, followed the same rules. After that, after that, okay, children, have you understand this lesson? In this video, I explained you about the how did the Delhi Sultans develop garrison town to big empire. In the next video class, I will continue the same lesson. Thank you, children. Bye.